Let's proceed towards our next category. And the next category is Innovative Company of the Year. And the winner is Kute Sons Dairies Limited. And to receive the award, I would like to call Mr. Ashish Kalbande. Please come on the stage and receive the award.
Hello. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much, Synnex, for recognizing for this precious award. On behalf of our team and our Kute group, respected our MD and CMD, sir and madam. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you so much to your company and to your team.